Hoy! Gising na! Hoy! Gising na! Gising na! Hoy! 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 Gising na! Career orientation today!
I'm ready. Ano kaya kukunin ko for sa college? Speech pathology? Ano yun? Kapag tanong-tanong ah.
May mga problema yata sa speech yun. Yung mga bata na hindi gaano marunong magsalita. Maganda naman.
They have to do something with translating the language.
Well, I guess they help if people have difficulty speaking for whatever reason, whether that's something that they are born with or whether that's something because of an illness, they help people speak, improve their speech better.
Wala akong idea eh. Agad. Speech? O tungkol naman sa pagsasalita.
Ano bang ginagawa nila?
Yun lang, hindi ko masyado. Speech pathology. Speech pathology, they are yung mga nagte-therapy sa mga tao capable to speak ng maayos. Okay. Marami trabaho yan eh. Ako? So, speech pa, tingin ko, ginagawa ng speech pa, parang sinotherapy nila yung parang mga taong may kapansanan sa pagkasalita nila or pwedeng sa audio nila. So, speech pa, parang may masayang trabaho yan. Uncommon, pero magandang trabaho.
Ano raw? Gulo naman? Hindi ko pa rin get. Uy, ano to? Oh!
Speech pathology, technically, under siya ng field ng mga rehab sciences. Kaya lang yung special features sa speech pathology, hindi tulad ng PT or ng OT na mas kilala ng iba. Yung speech pathology, may kinalaman sa pag-rehabilitation ng mga problema sa pagsasalita at sa pagkain. Eh, yung pagkain, di ba hindi masyadong nakaka-focus. So yun, both speech and swallowing issues.
The study of human communication and normal development in its disorder. So, when it covers basically patients, either adult or pedia patients na merong communicative, swallowing, or mga speech problems.
Bilang isang profesyon, ang pagiging speech pathologist ay isang profesyon na tumutulong na magpabago ng buhay ng isang tao at ng isang pamilya. Minsan, ito rin ay tumutulong sa isang komunidad. Tinitingnan ko kasi ang speech pathology na profession, hindi lang profession, kundi ito ay isang vocation wherein tumutulong tayo na mapabuti yung isang pamumuhay ng isang tao.
A child born with multiple congenital anomalies or cleft lip and palate, nakakatapos lang ng surgery for lip and palate closure. Children born with Down syndrome, autism, ADHD, who have difficulties with speech language and social communication affecting their overall development, performance in school, and ability to make meaningful interaction with their family and their peers. A child, an adolescent, or an adult with fluency disorders such as stuttering, pwedeng hindi pa sila aware sa problem nila or sobrang aware sila, it affects their quality of life.
opportunities, and these things may not really know how to actually was extremely producing valuable skills, education, but also able to see environmental relationships that can change so that communication will improve.
Cool! This is it!